Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be my first unboxing of the year 2019. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up for my first purchases of the year, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is a smaller bag. So let's just take a look and see what we have. Okay guys, so here is just a quick bird's eye view of what we have. And let's go inside. And the first thing that I have are these Dooney Bourke stickers. I have been trying to get these stickers for a while, and as you can see here, it has the Dooney Bourke inscription, little signature letters here, and it is a sticker, and it's actually a pretty nice size. And then the other that I have is the patriotic sticker. Okay, and here is this one. So cute little stickers to put on a planner or a notebook, or if you wanted to, you could put it in the back window of your car to let everyone know that you are a Doonieista. So here is the first thing that was in the bag. And let's see what we're gonna do first. Let's see. Okay, so here is the first item, and just open it up really quick. Okay, so this is this one. So this is a Saffiano leather kiss lock coin pouch in the color Bordeaux. And this one I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway in my Facebook group. So this one will be a giveaway item, and you guys know what these little kiss coin locks look like. Here is the inside. I'm not going to mess with it too much because it is going to be a giveaway item. So this is the first item that I picked up. So this is the Saffiano leather kiss lock in the color Bordeaux. Okay, let's see what else we have. Let's go into this one. Okay, and this is how this is wrapped. And you guys, I have once again learned to never say never. And with this one, I had been eyeing it for a while, but I wasn't a 100% fan of this leather or this print. So I just kind of left it and just admired it every time I went into the store. So let's see what we have. Okay guys, so this is the Kiss Lock coin purse in the color Plum Wine, and it is the ostrich print. Yes, you guys, ostrich print. I only own one bag and one wallet in the ostrich print, and it is a drawstring bag. That's probably close to 20 years old. I'm gonna say at least 15 years old. So I keep that bag around because it will be considered vintage in a few years. So I thought this was just so beautiful in this color. So here we are. You guys know what the inside looks like. So it has 3 card slots on both sides. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Very nice size to fit lots of stuff, to be honest. I normally don't reach for these coin purses, so that's kind of what has been clearing me away from all the hype about them. I do have a few that came with some logo locks that I owned, but even then I don't tend to use them. But I think I'm gonna find a way maybe to put my electronics items in, like my phone chargers and my headphones and stuff like that. So here it is. This is the Ostrich Kiss Coin Purse in the color Plum Wine. Okay, so I saved what I call the best for last. And let's see what I have. And it came in this wrapping. So let's see. Okay. All right, guys. Yes, again, this is another ostrich print. And this is the Dooney Bourke flap wallet in the color steel blue gray. And I was a little on the fence about this wallet, but a friend of mine has it and she absolutely loves it. So I thought that I would just give it a try, and then also try to pair it maybe with my steel blue domed buckle satchel. So here we are, you guys. This wallet has tons of organization. To start off, it has a zipper pocket right here on the top flap. It has 9 card slots here. It has a large opening here, and it also has 6 more card slots on this side. It has another zipper pocket. It has another little section here. So lots and lots of organization in this wallet. It can also be carried as a clutch, and I'm not really a clutch carrier, but I thought that I could maybe put a strap on here from one of my other wallets and carry it as kind of like a wristlet. So let's do this. I brought along some items to see what could possibly fit inside. So let's do that really quick. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and load in my ID. I'm going to put my medical card there. I'm going to other medical card here. And I have a Publix gift card that I need to use. I have another card here that I'm going to stick there. I have my debit card there. I have a business card there. So as you can see, I have all the cards that I need to be able to fit here. My loyalty cards, I carry those on another ring. So let's see what we have. Okay, so I have my checkbook that I am just going to slip right here in the back, and that fits perfectly. And then if you wanted to, you could put some change in this pocket, which I probably will not use for change. So let's see what we have next. I have some little green tea ginger packets. You know what? I can put those in here. Just going to take my green tea packets and I'm going to put those in that back pocket. I also have a little hand sanitizing moist. I'll put that in that pocket. And I have some cash that I will, the cash, I think I can slip that in here with the checkbook. So I have my cash in there. And then I have this huge section here. So I know for most people the big thing is if a cell phone case will fit inside. And this is a iPhone 8 Plus case. So let's just see if that will fit. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. So again, this is the plus size phone here. So it will fit perfectly with room to spare. So we have that in there. Let's see. So if I wanted to put my work case, and this is a Dylan leather coin pouch, if I want to put that in there, let's see. That will fit with not much bulk. You may not be able to put anything else in here, but it will fit. And let's see, if you wanted to put a little hand sanitizer in here, you could, and that fits perfectly. And let's see, another essential of mine would be my little lip gloss thing. And I don't think this is going to fit. No, it's not going to fit. I guess I could squeeze it right there, but it kind of adds some more bulk and it won't fold. So let's do this. Let's take out this. And then we still have our phone. We still have our lip gloss there. Okay, so if I wanted to put my key fob in, my car is getting repaired, so I have a rental right now. So this fob is huge. So and I will probably throw my little roses here from my grandmother's grave right here behind the phone case. And then I have some sunglass wipes here. I'll throw them in there. Needed to put that in there. It will fit and it will snap. You guys, I am absolutely loving this wallet. So again, if you wanted something just to grab and go, you have your phone, you have your hand sanitizer, I have my lip products, I have my keys. And as you can see, guys, this thing holds pretty much everything that you would need. So there we are. And let's zip it up here. Very nice wallet. And then you also have a little pocket here on the back. But you know what? Let's see if we can do this to make more room. Let's take out the case here. So in here, we're going to have our keys, our hand sanitizer, and our lip product. Perfect. And then now, let's just see if our phone case will fit here in the back. So the iPhone 8 Plus will not fit in the back unless it hangs over the top. So we don't want to do that, and plus that adds a lot more bulk. But if you needed quick access to something, you could actually put it there. All right, so anyway, guys, here is what we have. And again, this is the Dooney Bourke flap wallet in the Ostrich print. And this is in the color Steel Blue Gray. So anyway, guys, here are my first purchases of the year. And I picked up the Dooney Bourke flap wallet in the color Steel Blue Gray. the Kiss coin pouch in the ostrich print in plum wine, and also the coin purse Saffiano leather in the color Bordeaux. Okay guys, I just wanted to do a quick comparison to another full-size wallet. On the right I have a Dooney Bourke large zip around wallet, and it's in the color navy, and as you can see it is pretty much the same size as the flap wallet. So here is a quick side view and then a view of the wallets laying flat. So very comparable in size, but of course the flap wallet has lots more organization. So I hope this comparison is helpful if you are trying to decide if you want to add this beautiful flap wallet to your collection. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. The really